Kavacha Bell inside of Plane Crash Physics 2. A very chaotic plane crash physics game. Good plane crash physics, crappy flying system. Like, watch how fast I can take off. Barely any runway needed. That's a cobra. That's a U-turn cobra. And this is the Kavacha Bell. Let's find the fast boy so we can do the Kavacha Bell easy. First we have to kill literally everyone at the airport. Or else it literally won't work. Like I'm telling you. Then you have to break both your ankles. Now that you've broken all of your bones, you want to get the tactical jet. It costs 500 Robux, so this is for the rich ones. Now if you want to do it normally like I did earlier in the video, you can use the normal fighter jet. So you want to set the throttle to 0, and then just push the nose up. And if you do it enough, then it's really easy. No one can see the evidence. No witnesses. No witnesses allowed. There we go. Now it's time to do another Cobra or Kavacha Bell, because it's hard to choose between a Cobra and a Kavacha Bell in this game. Like, see, that was a Cobra. So let's just attack someone. Alright. Dip the nose down, throttle 0, pull up. And then full throttle. And then that's how you land the fastest plane in the game. A little after game blooper, I'm just gonna attack people.